இந்த வீடியோல I am going to teach conjugate of a complex number and properties of conjugate. First one, the conjugate of a complex number x plus iy is defined as the complex number x minus iy. To find the conjugate of a complex number, you have to change the sign of the imaginary part only. If z is equal to x plus iy, its conjugate is z bar x minus iy. The conjugate of z is z bar. எப்படி படிக்கிறீங்களா z bar. Z மேல ஒரு கோடு போட்டா அது z bar. Point number 3. The product of a complex number and its conjugate is always non-negative real number. ஒரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பரையும் அதோட கான்ஜுகேட்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா ஒரு ரியல் நம்பர் தான் கிடைக்கும். Let z is equal to 3 plus 2y. What is z bar? 3 minus 2y. Z into z bar equal to 3 plus 2y into 3 minus 2y. 3 into 3, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. 9 minus 4i square. 9 minus I square is minus 1, minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 equal to 13. 13 பாருங்க real number, that is a non-negative real number. Point number 4. Geometrically, z bar is the mirror image of z on the real axis. Consider z is equal to 3 plus 2y. இதோட ஆர்டர் பேர் என்ன? 3, 2. z bar வந்து 3 minus 2y. இதோட ஆர்டர் பேர் 3, minus 2. இப்போ we can represent a complex number as a point in the organ diagram or complex plane. இப்போ 3, 2 real part positive, imaginary part 3, 2 lies in the first quadrant. This is 3, 2. 3, minus 2 real part positive, imaginary part negative lies in the fourth quadrant. 3, minus 2. If we join both the complex number to origin, this is z. 3, 2. This is z bar. This is z bar 3, minus 2. Now z bar is mirror image of z on the real axis. This is real axis. அப்ப z bar வந்து z ஓட இமேஜ். அப்ப ரியல் ஆக்சிஸ் வந்து மிரரா ஆட் பண்ணிச்சுனா the distance between z and real axis and z bar and real axis. That is why அப்ப இந்த இடத்துல real axis வந்து மிரரா இருக்கு. Therefore geometrically z bar is the mirror image of z on the real axis. Next, point number 5, properties of complex conjugate. Complex conjugate ஓட property எல்லாம் என்னங்க? Point number 5, properties of complex conjugates. First one, z1 plus z2 the whole bar is equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar. z1 bar plus z2 bar is equal to z1 bar is 1 minus I, z2 bar is 2 minus I is equal to 3 minus 2i. Then what is z1 plus z2? z1 plus z2 equal to 3 plus 2i. Therefore z1 plus z2 the whole bar equal to 3 minus 2i. So இதுல இருந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா z1 plus z2 the whole bar equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar. Point number, property number 2, z1 plus z2 plus goes on zn the whole bar equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar plus plus zn the whole bar. You can extend to n complex number. Property number 3, z1 minus z2 the whole bar equal to z1 bar minus z2 bar. What is z1 minus z2? z1 minus z2, 1 plus I minus 2 minus I is equal to this plus I minus I plus I cancel minus 1. Z1 minus Z2 the whole bar equal to minus 1. In a real number conjugate, the number itself. Then Z1 bar minus Z2 bar is equal to Z1 bar is 1 minus I minus 2 minus I minus 2 plus I again plus I minus I cancel minus 1, therefore both are equal. Therefore Z1 minus Z2 the whole bar equal to Z1 bar minus Z2 bar. Property number 4, Z1 into Z2 the whole bar equal to Z1 bar into Z2 bar. First multiply Z1 into Z2 is equal to 1 plus I into 2 plus I. 1 into 2 plus I plus 2I plus I square equal to 2 plus 3I minus 1. I square is minus 1 equal to 1 plus 3I. What is Z1 bar into Z2 bar? Z1 bar is 1 minus I into 2 minus I. Multiply 1 into 2, 2 minus I minus 2I plus I square is equal to 2 minus 3I minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 3I. Now what is Z1 Z2 the whole bar? Z1 Z2 the whole bar is equal to 1 minus 3I. Z1 bar into Z2 bar is also 1 minus 3I. Z1 into Z2 the whole bar also 1 minus 3I. Therefore Z1 into Z2 the whole bar equal to Z1 bar into Z2 bar. Fifth property we can extend to n complex number. Z1 into Z2 till Zn the whole bar equal to Z1 bar into Z2 bar dot 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 Zn the bar. Property number 6, Z1 by Z2 the whole bar equal to Z1 bar divided by Z2 bar. Z1 by Z2 is equal to 1 plus I divided by 2 plus I. We have to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. 2 minus I equal to 1 into 2, 2 minus I plus 2I minus I square divided by 2 plus I into 2 minus I, 4 plus 1. I square is minus 1, 4 plus 1. Above 2 plus I plus 1 by 5 is equal to 3 plus I divided by 5. Now what is Z1 by Z2 the whole bar? Is equal to 3 minus I by 5. Now find Z1 bar divided by Z2 bar. Z1 bar divided by Z2 bar is equal to 1 minus I by 2 minus I. Multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. 2 plus I by 2 plus I. 1 into 2, 2 plus I minus 2I minus I square divided by again 5 is equal to simplify 2 minus I plus 1 by 5 equal to 3 minus I by 5. So from this you can say Z1 by Z2 the whole bar equal to Z1 bar divided by Z2 bar. Now property number 7. Real part of Z equal to Z plus Z bar divided by 2. Real part of Z. What is that? Say Z is equal to 3 plus 2y. Z bar 3 minus 2y. What is Z plus Z bar? Is equal to this 2 plus 2y minus 2y cancel 6. What is Z plus Z bar divided by 2 is equal to 3, which is equal to real part of Z. That is proved. Therefore, real part of a complex number is z plus z bar divided by 2. Now, what is property number 7? Imaginary part of z is z minus z bar divided by 2y. What is z minus z bar? Is equal to this minus 3 will cancel, we will get 4y. 3 plus 2y minus 3 minus of minus y plus 2y plus 3 minus 3 cancel 4y. Z minus z bar divided by 2y is equal to your 2 is the Im of z. 2 is the Im of z. Therefore, imaginary part of z is z minus z bar divided by 2y. Property number 9. Z power n the whole bar is equal to z bar the whole power n, where n is the integer. Let us take z is equal to 1 plus I. N is equal to 2. Z is equal to 1 plus I, n is equal to 2. What is z? Z power n, z square the whole bar. Z square, z square பண்ணி அதுக்கு கான்ஜுகேட் எடுக்கணும். Z square is 1 plus I the whole square the bar is equal to 1 plus I the whole square na 1 plus I square plus 2I the bar is equal to இது 1 minus 1 plus 2I இது bar. இப்போ 1 minus 1 cancel, அப்ப 2I bar வந்து minus 2y. இதான் z square the whole bar. Now இப்போ conjugate எடுத்தா the square பண்ணணும். Now you have to find z bar the whole square. Z bar என்ன? 1 minus I the whole square is equal to 1 plus I square minus 2y. A minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. இப்போ 1 minus 1 minus 2y plus 1 minus 1 cancel I take minus 2y. You see both answer. Z square the whole bar equal to z bar the whole square. அதேதான் z power n the whole bar equal to z bar the whole power n. It is a very very important property. Property number 10. If z is purely real, if and only if z is equal to z bar. If z is equal to 3, it is a purely real number. There is no imaginary part. What is z bar? Z bar is also 3. Why z bar is also 3? There is no real part. If z is equal to 3 na 3 plus 0i. அப்போ z bar na 3 minus 0i. இப்போ ரெண்டும் ஒன்று தான். இதுவும் 3 தான். Z பாரும் 3 தான். அப்போ when z is equal to z bar, when z is purely real. When z is purely real, z is equal to z bar. Then 11th property. If z is purely imaginary, then z is equal to minus z bar. Suppose if z is equal to 2y, it is purely imaginary number or 0 plus 2y. Now what is z bar? Z bar equal to 0 minus 2y. Now 0 minus 2y minus of 2y is equal to minus z. So when z bar equal to minus z, when z is purely imaginary number. Then last property, z bar the whole bar equal to z. Z ரெண்டு தடவை bar எடுத்தா, ரெண்டு தடவை conjugate எடுத்தா, the given complex number itself. Say z equal to 1 minus 3a. What is z bar? 1 plus 3a. What is z bar? The whole bar. Z bar the whole bar is again either imaginary part of sign matna 1 minus 3a. Therefore 1 minus 3a is z bar the whole bar 1 minus 3a. Therefore z bar the whole bar equal to the given complex number itself. That's all the properties of conjugate of a complex number.